Hi, if you've archived a Facebook post and can't remember where it went, don't worry. Archived posts aren't deleted, they're simply hidden from your profile and stored in a private section that only you can access. Whether it's a photo, video, or text post, Facebook makes it easy to find your archived content whenever you need it. Follow the steps below to access your archived posts in just a few minutes. Step 1. Start by opening the Facebook app on your Android or iPhone. Make sure you're logged into the account where the archived posts are saved. Step 2. Tap your profile picture or profile icon, usually located in the top right or bottom right corner of the app. This will take you to your Facebook profile page. Step 3. On your profile, tap the three dot icon next to the Edit Profile button. This opens the Profile Settings menu where you'll find several account management options. Step 4. Scroll through the list and select Archive. This section stores content you've archived instead of deleting, so you can keep your profile clean without losing your posts permanently. Step 5. At the top of the archive page, tap Post Archive. You'll now see all of your archived Facebook posts, including text updates, photos, and videos. Scroll through the list to find the post you're looking for. If you'd like to make an archived post visible on your profile again, open the post, tap the three dot menu, and choose Restore to Profile if the option is available. That's all there is to it. You've successfully found your archived Facebook posts. Using the archive feature is a convenient way to hide posts without deleting them, giving you the freedom to revisit or restore your content whenever you want.